Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. I'm Mira Amelia Sari. Today I want to share my final project exam for extensive listening titled Podcast Reflections. Listen, reflect, grow. In this poster, I summarize my reflection from 4 interesting podcasts. Through this project, I learned that listening is not just about training our ears, but also about learning and growing. So, let's talk about them one by one. Let's start with the first podcast, Why Do We Laugh? By TED. This video explains the scenes behind human laughter. Turn out, laughing is not just a reflex when you hear something funny. More than that, it is an important social tool to connect with other people and improve our emotional health. My personal insight is that laughter has amazing benefits like reducing stress and making our relationship stronger. For the language note, the speaker uses a standard American accent with a steady pace. The scientific words are pronounced very clearly, so it is very easy to understand. Moving on the second podcast, The Happy Secret to Better Work by Sean Aker on TED Talk. This podcast changed our mindset. Usually we think success makes us happy, but this video proves the opposite. Happiness comes before success. If we practice a positive mindset every day, our productivity and creativity will increase naturally. Honestly, this really changed my perspective. I realized that staying motivated starts with a positive mood. In terms of language, the speaker is very fun. He uses a standard American accent, but with a lot of energy. He combines storytelling and humor, which makes the presentation very live. The third podcast, titled How to Spark Your Curiosity Scientifically by Nadia Mason. The topic is about how scientific curiosity helps us understand the world through observation and experiments. It tells us to never stop asking questions and keep learning throughout our life. I learned that curiosity is not a talent you are born with, but a skill that you can train to make things more creatively. For the language, the speaker uses a standard American accent with a natural speed. She explains complicated science concepts in very simple way. Last, we have a podcast from TED titled What Causes a Panic Attack? By Cindy G. Ranson. This video explains what happens to our brain and body during a panic attack. It talks about the fight or flight response and why understanding this is important to stop negative stigma in society. The most important insight for me is that panic attacks are a real medical condition, not a sign of weakness. It helps us have more empathy toward mental health. For the language, the speaker uses a standard American accent with a calm and informative tone. So, the medical concepts are easy to follow. To close my presentation, I want to quote the sentences at the bottom of my poster. Every story you hear can change the way you see your life. Through the assessment, not only did my English skills improve, but my way of looking alive also grew. That is all from me. Thank you so much for the opportunity and for your attention listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.